Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into 15 easy ways you can make or save money to fund your dream travels. Whether you're dreaming of backpacking through Southeast Asia, relaxing on a beach in Bali, or exploring the streets of Europe, it all comes down to being smart with your money. We're going to cover everything from simple cashback strategies to side hustles that can bring in some serious cash. That's right. You don't need to be a millionaire to travel the world. You just need the right strategies in place. Remember, every dollar you save or earn is another dollar you can put towards your next plane ticket, delicious meal, or unforgettable experience. So, if you're ready to turn those travel dreams into a reality, stick around because we're about to break it all down. Make sure to check the description for links to all the websites and tools we mention so you can start saving or making money right away. Let's kick things off with one of the easiest ways to save money on your everyday purchases, Rakuten. You know how much we love passive income, and Rakuten is basically passive income for shopping. You sign up for a free account, and then whenever you shop online at any of their partner stores, you earn a percentage of your purchase back in cashback. We're talking about stores like Amazon, Walmart, Target, and thousands more. The places you're probably already shopping at anyway. It's literally free money just for clicking a button before you check out. Seriously, if you're not using Rakuten, you're leaving money on the table. We'll even throw in a link down below where you can get a bonus just for signing up. Next up, let's talk about decluttering and making some money in the process. We all have stuff lying around the house that we don't use anymore. Clothes that don't fit, electronics gathering dust, books we've already read. Instead of letting them clutter up your space, why not turn them into travel funds? Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Poshmark make it easier than ever to sell your unwanted items. Take some good photos, write clear descriptions, and price your items competitively. You'll be surprised how quickly those small sales can add up. Plus, getting rid of clutter feels good. It's like a mental cleanse that can even inspire you to travel lighter. All right, guys, let's talk about making money. And I don't mean chump change. I'm talking about tapping into that hidden gold mine you've got sitting right there, your skills. You know that thing you're good at? The one your friends always ask for help with? Yeah, that's your ticket to fattening up that travel fund. Freelancing is like having your own business, except you don't need a fancy office or employees. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are like the world's biggest job boards, but for freelancers. They connect you with people who need your skills, whether it's writing, graphic design, web development, or even virtual assisting. And trust me, there's a market for almost anything. Think about it. Someone out there needs help with their website, someone else needs a logo designed, and another person is drowning in emails. That's where you come in, offering your services and setting your own rates. You get to be your own boss, set your own hours, and work from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. Imagine this. You're sipping a cappuccino in a Parisian cafe, laptop open, and you just landed a $500 gig. That's the power of freelancing. So dust off those skills, create a killer profile, and watch the job offers roll in. Your dream trip is waiting. Okay, let's be real. Who doesn't love free money? And that's why we're all about cashback credit cards. Think about it. You're already spending money on everyday things like groceries, gas, and that daily iced latte. So why not get rewarded for it? Cashback credit cards are like getting a mini paycheck every time you swipe. You buy stuff you were going to buy anyway, and the credit card company gives you a percentage of your spending back in the form of cash rewards. It's like getting a discount on everything you buy without even trying. Now you're thinking, credit cards? Aren't those dangerous? And yeah, if you're not responsible, they can be. But here's the thing. If you're smart about it, pay your balance in full and on time. Every month, cashback credit cards are like having a secret weapon in your wallet. Imagine this. You're booking your dream vacation, and instead of paying full price, you use your cashback rewards to cover a good chunk of it. That's the power of playing the credit card game to your advantage. So do your research, find a card with good rewards and low fees, and start earning while you spend. All right, let's talk about budgeting. I know, it's not the most exciting topic, but trust me on this one. If you want to achieve your financial goals, whether it's buying a house, investing in real estate, or traveling the world, you need to know where your money's going. And that's where budgeting apps come in. These things are like having a personal finance assistant in your pocket. Apps like Mint connect to your bank accounts and credit cards, tracking your spending automatically and categorizing it for you. No more spreadsheets or manually entering every transaction. The best part? Budgeting apps give you a clear picture of your spending habits. You'll see exactly where your money is going, which categories you tend to overspend in, and where you can cut back. Knowledge is power, my friends, and knowing your spending habits is the first step to changing them. Imagine this. You open your budgeting app and realize you're spending $200 a month on eating out for lunch. That's $2,400 a year. Suddenly, packing your lunch doesn't sound so bad, does it? That's the power of budgeting apps. They help you make informed decisions about your money so you can save more and reach your financial goals faster. Got a spare room gathering dust? Turn it into a money-making machine with Airbnb. Fund your travel adventures by renting it out. Set your prices, choose availability, and meet new people. It's easier than you think. Create a listing, set house rules, and start earning. Let your home fuel your wanderlust. Let's talk about a simple way to earn extra cash for your travels. Taking surveys. Trust me, surveys can help. It's an effortless way to earn a little extra in your spare time. Every dollar counts when saving for your dream trip. Sites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research pay for your opinions. Sign up, fill out profiles, and start taking surveys. You can do it from anywhere, at home, during lunch, or at the airport. Most surveys take minutes, earning points or cash for gift cards or cash. It's a no-brainer for passive income. It's a great way to make extra money for your travel fund. So, why not get paid for your opinion? Sign up and start earning travel rewards today. Let's face it, travel can be expensive, but it doesn't have to break the bank. Use discount codes to save money on your adventures. Websites like Retail Me Not, Honey, and Groupon are treasure troves of deals. Check airline and hotel websites for exclusive deals. Sign up for newsletters and follow travel brands on social media. Those extra minutes searching for discounts can lead to serious savings. All right, let's talk about food. I love eating out as much as the next person, but let's be real, those restaurant bills add up quick. That's why meal prepping is your secret weapon to save some serious cash for your dream trip. Instead of grabbing takeout after a long day, imagine coming home to a delicious, home-cooked meal that you prepped ahead of time. Not only is it healthier, but it's also way easier on your wallet. Think about it. those $15 lunches and $20 dinners really start to add up. By cooking at home, you can easily cut those costs by more than half. Plus, you can control the ingredients and portion sizes, which is a win-win for your health and your budget. Imagine all those savings going straight to your travel fund. A couple $100 a month adds up to thousands over time. That's thousands of dollars you can put towards flights, accommodation, or even some epic excursions on your trip. Trust me, your taste buds and your bank account will thank you. Now, for those of you who enjoy driving and have some free time, ride-sharing platforms like Uber and Lyft can be a great way to earn extra cash. You're already driving around anyway, right? Why not make some money while you're at it? Imagine this. You're driving to that part-time job you picked up from my last video, and you pick up a passenger headed in the same direction. Boom! You're already earning money on a trip you were already taking. It's like getting paid to drive. Think about it. Those short trips can really add up, especially during peak hours or weekends. You can set your own hours, work around your schedule, and even meet some interesting people along the way. Just make sure to factor in things like gas and car maintenance, and always prioritize safety. But the beauty of ride sharing is the flexibility. Need an extra $100 this week? Drive for a few hours. Want to save up for a weekend getaway? Put in some extra time on the weekends. It's a fantastic way to boost your income and get one step closer to those travel goals. All right, animal lovers, this one's for you. Pet sitting is an awesome way to make some extra cash while spending time with furry friends. Let's be real, who wouldn't want to get paid to cuddle with adorable dogs or play with playful cats? Think about it. People are always going on vacations or business trips and need someone trustworthy to look after their beloved pets. That's where you come in. You can offer your services through word of mouth, local ads, or even dedicated pet sitting apps like rover.com. You can set your rates, choose the types of pets you're comfortable with, and even offer additional services like dog walking or overnight stays. It's a great way to earn some extra income while doing something you enjoy. Plus, you get to experience the joy of having a furry companion without the long-term commitment. It's a win-win for you and the pet parent. And hey, maybe those furry friends will even inspire you to finally book that trip to see the elephants in Thailand or go on a safari in Africa. All right, guys, imagine this. You're traveling the world, exploring new cities, and experiencing different cultures, but you're not shelling out hundreds of dollars per night on hotels. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's where house sitting comes in. House sitting is exactly what it sounds like. You look after someone's home while they're away. You might be watering plants, collecting mail, or taking care of pets, and in exchange, you get to stay in their home absolutely free. This is a fantastic way to cut down on travel costs, especially if you're planning a longer trip. There are tons of websites and apps that connect homeowners with house sitters. You create a profile, browse listings, and apply for the ones that interest you. It's like Airbnb, but instead of paying for accommodation, you're getting paid in experiences. And who can put a price on that? So, if you're flexible with your travel dates and don't mind taking on a few responsibilities, house sitting could be your secret weapon to affordable travel. It's a win-win situation. Homeowners get peace of mind knowing their homes are in good hands, and you get to experience a new destination without breaking the bank. Now, let's talk about making money while you sleep, because who doesn't love passive income? Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn money online by promoting products or services you love. Here's how it works. you partner with a company or brand and promote their products or services on your website, blog, or social media channels. You'll get a unique affiliate link, and every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. The best part is that you don't need to create your own products or handle customer service. You're simply connecting your audience with products or services they might be interested in and getting rewarded for it. So, think about the products or services you use and love. Travel gear, photography equipment, online courses, you name it. Chances are, they have an affiliate program you can join. Start by creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience and seamlessly integrate your affiliate links. It's a fantastic way to monetize your platform and fuel your travel fund. Number 14, we're talking about blogging. Now, I know what you're thinking. Blogging? Is that really a thing in 2025? Trust me on this one, it absolutely is, especially when it comes to travel. Remember those incredible trips you've taken? The hidden gems you discovered? The mouth-watering food you devoured? That's exactly what you share on your blog. Talk about your experiences, give people tips and recommendations, and share your passion for exploring the world. The best part, you can easily monetize your blog with ads, sponsored posts, and even by selling your own products or services, like travel guides or photography prints. Think about it, you're already traveling and creating memories. Why not share those experiences and potentially earn some serious cash on the side? It's a win-win. You're literally getting paid to do what you love. Talk about your travels. And who knows, your blog could blow up and become your full-time gig, allowing you to travel the world indefinitely. Now, wouldn't that be the dream? So, start sharing your travel stories, connect with like-minded individuals, and watch your blog become your very own money-making machine. And finally, number 15, becoming a virtual assistant. This, my friends, is the epitome of location independence. As a virtual assistant, you provide support services to businesses and entrepreneurs from anywhere in the world, as long as you have a stable internet connection. Think about the skills you already have: managing emails, scheduling appointments, creating presentations, handling social media, writing content. These are all valuable services that businesses need, and they're often willing to outsource them to skilled individuals like you. The beauty of being a virtual assistant is the flexibility it offers. You set your own hours, choose your clients, and work from wherever you please. Imagine answering emails from a beach in Bali or managing social media accounts from a cozy cafe in Paris. The possibilities are endless. Plus, you can earn a solid income while traveling the world and experiencing new cultures. It's the ultimate side hustle for aspiring digital nomads and those seeking a flexible and fulfilling way to fund their adventures. So, what are you waiting for? Put those skills to good use, become a virtual assistant, and start living life on your own terms. And there you have it, 15 easy ways to make or save money for your dream travels. Remember, you don't need to be rich to travel the world, you just need to be resourceful and determined. Don't forget to check the description for all the links to the websites and tools we mentioned. And if you're looking for a flexible way to make money from anywhere in the world, consider affiliate marketing. It's growing rapidly and is one of the easiest ways to earn an income online. You literally earn money while you sleep. Just imagine waking up to commission notifications from sales you made while exploring a new city. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.